Namaskara, Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel ge swagata. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel, and this is a rhymes time. I hope you're already following all the rhymes in Yashaswi Kannadavaani. If not, I leave the playlist link here. Please do follow the rhymes and enjoy the rhymes and enjoy the learning of Kannada language in a very fun way. Rhymes is one of the structure which will help you to learn the languages, to learn the vocabulary quickly and in easier way, in a fun way. So let's start today's rhyme. Ivattina rhymes yaudu? Gombe angi. Gombe is a doll, angi is a cloth, the shirt I can say. Okay, so Gombe angi. We'll start with the rhymes. Vandanondu urittante. Vandanondu uru andre there was a one place it seems. Vandanondu, there was one place it seems. Uru is a place. Vandanondu urittante. Urigobba rajanante. For that place there was a raja it seems. So ante is basically sounds like a it seems. Okay. Urigobba rajanante. Rajagobba mantri ante. For that raja there was a mantri it seems. There was a mantri for that raja. Mantri gobba magalante. For that mantri, for that minister there was a daughter. Magalu is a daughter. Magaligondu gonbeyante. For the daughter, she had a small doll. One gombe. Magaligondu gombeyante. Gombegondu angiyante. For that gombe, it has a angi. It has a shirt, it seems. Angigondu gundiyante. For that angi, for that shirt, it had a button. Gundi is a button. Gundi kittu hoyitante. Gundi is a button. It worn off. It torn off. Gundi kithoitu. Kithoitu andre it torn off. So let's start. Vandanondu urittante. Urigobba rajanante. Rajagobba mantri ante. Mantrigobba magalante. Magaligondu gonbeyante. Gombegondu angiyante. Angigondu gundiyante. Gundikittu hoyitante. Okay, so please practice this, and if you have any doubt or questions, do let me know in the comment section. Make a video of this and do send it to me. Thank you so much. I'll meet you with one more video on the health. Namaskara, dhanyawada. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2 vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.